So this is the Sunscape Hotel Resort in Curacao. We're in a deluxe ocean view room. We were supposed to have a king bed. We went into the room and there was a major flood happening, so we ended up having to move. Little mini bar here, little mini beers. Closet, safe. So far, the food's been pretty good. It's a smaller resort, so it doesn't have the wide variety you'd see at a mega resort, but there's more than enough to eat. Take you outside and let you see the view. So if you're looking at booking this place, after traveling fairly extensively through the Caribbean, I would say 3 stars. It's kind of where we'd land here. It's nice, and we're enjoying our vacation. That's all.